In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy tickets for FIFA World Cup. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and head to the official FIFA World Cup 2026 ticketing website. It's important to use the official site so you can avoid scams, unofficial resellers, or invalid tickets. Once you're on the website, sign into your existing FIFA account or create a new one if you don't already have one. During this process, you may be asked to verify your email address, so make sure to complete that step if prompted. Having your account ready early can save you time later, especially when demand is high. Next, wait for the official ticket sales phase to begin. FIFA usually releases tickets during specific sales windows, so if tickets are not yet available, just keep an eye on the site and return when sales open. When the sale is live, go to the ticket section to continue. From there, browse the list of available matches and choose the one you want to attend. Take your time here because you may see different dates, venues, and stages of the tournament. After selecting your match, review the available ticket categories and pricing. This helps you understand your seating options and choose what best fits your budget. Now select the number of tickets you want to purchase, then choose your preferred ticket category or seating option if that choice is available. Once you've made your selections, add the tickets to your cart. Before moving forward, carefully review your order summary. Confirm the match, the quantity of tickets, and the total cost. This is a good moment to double-check everything, since popular events can sell quickly and mistakes can be frustrating. After that, enter or confirm your personal information, then choose your preferred payment method. Complete the payment process and wait for the purchase confirmation. Once the order goes through, check your email for the confirmation message and your receipt. Keep that email for your records in case you need it later. Finally, if FIFA requires it, download the official FIFA ticketing app to access your tickets. Sign in using the same FIFA account you used for the purchase, and check that your tickets appear in the My Tickets section. Once everything looks correct, keep your digital tickets ready and follow FIFA's instructions for stadium entry on match day. That's it. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be ready to secure your FIFA World Cup tickets smoothly and confidently.